At the Fall Prevention Program today, exercise and home safety was highlighted. And in Fairfax County, we have two programs that also deal with exercise and home safety a lot. One of them is the Independent Living Project. That's a 6-week program that meets once a week where experts are brought in to talk about home safety, fall prevention, cooking for 1 or 2, exercise. All of the different programs provide information that help older adults to remain healthy and safe in their homes. The other program is the Chronic Disease Self-Management Program, the You Can Live Well program. And that program, we also meet for 6 weeks, once a week, but it's more of a sitting around the table, actually having sharing and conversations and problem solving and brainstorming about some of the issues that come up with having a chronic condition or multiple chronic conditions and having to live with that chronic condition. And we include in that a lot of discussion about exercise that's appropriate for individuals with all kinds of levels of mobility. So even if a person is very immobile, they're still able to move however much they are, and we encourage them to move even more and to exercise more. And then we also talk a lot about the sharing that can be done between individuals to problem solve when issues come up. So for example, what do I do now that it's hard for me to get in and out of the bathtub? And that's where we talk about grab bars, or we talk about grabbers that can be used, different devices that are shared among the participants. So the Independent Living Project is more of an experts imparting information, and then the participants actually utilizing that information in the classroom. And the Chronic Disease Self-Management Program is much more about sharing between the participants, sharing ideas and sharing solutions.
The Independent Living Program and the Chronic Disease Maintenance Program. Both of them were so helpful to us, and so I guess today would be very good, which it has been so far. The Exercise for Balance program with standing and sitting, using arms and legs, stretching, using a band at one point. Very simple things, if done correctly, are so beneficial. They're also easy enough that I think I'll keep doing them at home. The whole program so far today has been very beneficial, and I'm looking forward to the rest of it.
One more time. Bring it up, arm, other way.